Yo, what's up mga tolls? Carbolando nga pala. Yeah, it's been a while mula nung uling beses ako nag-share ng video, and I thought maybe I should do a vlog again and share something with you guys. If you are someone na matagal nang nakafollow dito, alam mo na matagal na ako gumagawa ng short film, ng contents, ng kung ano-ano. But if you are someone na napadaan lang dito sa video na to, well, hayaan mo magpakilala ako. Isa po akong videographer, video editor, minsan photographer, at minsan filmmaker. Ngayon, isa po akong full-time video editor sa isang company sa UK. Pero bago pa man ako matuto sa pag-video, nagsimula lang din po ako sa wala. If you're someone na nasisimula pa lang sa content creation, I just want to say that just keep on creating. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Just keep on creating. Even if it's so simple, just do it.
Alam mo, mahal din naman kita eh. Pero, ang padoy mo. Mahal kita, okay. Ano ba kasing iniisip mo?
Hindi ka bang mahuhulog sa mga ganyang ngitian? Sa mga ganyang tinginan?
Hoy! Makakakita na ako!
Makakakita na si Talo!
6-7 years ago, most of the videos na pinagagawa namin, most of them were just a dumb idea na nagpop lang bigla sa isip namin, and then we turn it into something creative. Kaunti lang dun yung mga good ideas. Kaunti lang yung perfect ideas dun. Actually, wala pang perfect ideas dun eh.
Eto na naman tayo. Panibagong hangin na naman. Ang aking hinahanap.
Hello?
Uy, sorry na.
Hindi naman tayo ganito noon. Noon, akala ko hindi posible. Sir, may gusto po akong sabihin. Ano yun? Mahal po kita.
I was unaware na itong mga videos pala pinagagawa ko before. Yun na pala yung pathway para makuha ko yung trabaho ko ngayon na napakaganda. What I'm trying to say is, if you have these so-called dumb ideas, they were not so dumb after all, because you can actually learn from it. You can develop some soft and hard skills from it. Tulad na nangyari sa akin before. Wala akong idea when it comes to color grading, when it comes to camera composition, sa mga lens. Wala akong idea dyan. I have this idea, I have this equipment, I have these people who can act for me. So, yun na yun. Eventually, unti-unti nag-improve. Unti-unti nag-develop yung skills ko sa cinematography, sa editing, sa storytelling, hanggang sa nagamit ko na siya sa professional work. Nakapag-shoot ako ng wedding, mga birthday, mga corporate events, nakapagtrabaho ako sa isang company na gumagawa ng mga promotional ads. Ngayon, nag-edit na ako ng documentary.
Thank us, tell us how they're doing. We really love those kinds of stories because we're part of the family here.
To study at UK is kind of like second home for me.
Akalain mo yun for someone na nasishoot lang ng sobrang simpleng idea lang, sobrang simpleng video lang, na hindi pinagplanuhan, hindi ganun ka-creative, na hindi ganun kaganda yung kwento, ay natuto. What I'm trying to say is, if you have this idea, kahit sobrang simple lang yan, go ahead. Just keep on creating, everyone. Okay? Just keep on creating, and maybe someday, maybe it will change your life somehow. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. I hope nagkaintindihan tayo. I hope naunawaan mo yung sinasabi ko. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.